Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today I'm teaching you guys how to do the magic join. So this is pretty cool because it lets you take two different colored yarns or even the same colored yarn and put them together without adding bulk or extra tails that you have to weave in or anything like that. I personally use this a lot when I get like a skein of yarn from the store and there's a ton of different cuts and joins in it and they just don't look very pretty. I recut it, do this join, and it makes life so much easier when we're doing that. So let's get to it. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Make sure if you want to do this with me, grab two skeins of yarn, different colors, same colors, doesn't matter, and I'll show you guys how to do this together. Hi friends, real quick, when you click the link below to sign up for Happily Hooked magazine, you're also getting these amazing ergonomic hooks, this super cute yarn bag, plus you get our Pattern Pack Pro every single month as well as your membership to Happily Hooked. So make sure you click the link below, find out all the details, and I'll see you in the community. Bye guys. Alright, so we've got two different yarns today that we're working with. We've got the Red Heart Super Saver, Red Heart with Love. It doesn't really matter, it's just two medium 4-weight yarns, and I'm going to show you guys how to join these. So it's really neat how this works. So you just take the ends of both of them and we're going to lay them out like this. So there's the bottom one is here, the top one is here, and it doesn't really matter. So say like this was the end of this right here. This was attached to a project, okay? So that's why you can do it from two skeins like this. So just say that this was attached to the end of a project. So we're gonna take the green yarn here and we're gonna put it under the orange yarn and we're gonna make a loop. So just make a loop around it and then we're going to pull and like take your tail and go in the circle just like we're gonna make a knot. That's all. So we're making a knot around the orange yarn and pull it really, really tight. So we went under on this one, so we're gonna go over. So we're gonna take our orange yarn and go over the green yarn and under the green yarn, and we're gonna make a knot with this one. And we'll pull that one really tight. And now all you have to do is take the opposite ends of your yarn and pull them together. And you pull them as tight as you can. So these are nice and tight. Then you're gonna take your two little tails here and get some very sharp pointy scissors. So I've just got my really sharp pointy scissors, and you're gonna cut as close to that knot as you can. So we cut that one, and then you'll move it and make sure you don't cut the yarn that you joined it to, and cut that tail, and you can trim them down if you didn't get close enough. So like this one's got a little fluff ball, so I'll cut that down, being very careful to not cut the yarn that I'm working with. And now you pull on it. I don't know why, but they don't come apart. So now we have our magic join. And it's a really thin little knot in here. It doesn't get in the way of your crochet, but it's there and it's joined those two colors for you together. So I absolutely love how this works. I love that you can use it if you're at the end, say you had two of the same orange color, you can put those together and keep going, and that way you don't have another tail to weave in. But it makes life a little bit easier when you have to switch out colors, and I really think it's pretty cool. So just make sure, and I'll show you guys one more time just to, when you have them laid down, you want just so it's easier for you guys. The bottom one goes under and you'll make a knot that way. And then the top knot, or top color, goes over. And you'll make your knot that way. So bottom goes under, top goes over. Pull them together and you've got your magic join. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm super excited about this one just because I like how easy it is for you guys to be able to change colors when you're crocheting. This also works with knitting too, so if you do knit, this helps too. But yeah, so if you have any questions, just leave those in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!